Unreal? I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet. Wanna go and get liquid one rascal star. Make sure say if you're not under some form of concrete structure, make sure say you find a concrete structure fast. Cause some of them little zinc roof are gonna fly off. But serious, that's no laughing matter right there. Cause I'm really not laughing. I wish I was down there in Jamaica right now to go through it with you guys, so I can at least, knowing me, if I was in Jamaica right now with a hurricane coming, I would probably go outside in the rain and videotape it. Knowing me and the way I am, because I'm mad and crazy. Why is that up there? You wanna know why? That is part of my next music video, because it's actually a music video. I'm doing a remake to a song to launch my website. That's why I'm doing this video here. I don't want to make it a funny video because it's a serious video. I was gonna, you know, be very excited about my up and coming project, but because of the fact that there's a hurricane headed to Jamaica, and I want to share with you a quick story. This is a true story. Back in 1988, those who remember Hurricane Gilbert, I was about 8 at the time. 7 at the time, and we filled up the bathtub full of water, and then we took all the vodka bottles that we had lying around the house, and we filled them up with water and put it in the fridge. But because the label was still fresh on all the water bottles and the vodka bottles, them all looked the same. I remember I poured like this big glass of like vodka, which I thought was water, and I just swigged the rest. Like I must have taken like about 3 chugs, and I started like coughing because it was vodka. But anyways, look, I'm posting this video quickly because I'm launching my website soon, and there's going to be a lot of interesting stuff on my website. And you know, when I put stuff up on YouTube, you can go to the website and download some of the stuff, and I'll be giving away some things and this and that. But I'm putting this video up because to wish everybody good luck in Jamaica, and keep that camera safely rolling. Keep that camera rolling. I want to see some pictures, some video clips and stuff like that, and I definitely want them posted on YouTube. And I wish everybody the best of luck. I really hope that nobody will get hurt or injured, and personally I'd rather the thing blow over, you know what I mean. And if you can't find any safe structure to go in, find a friend that have a nice little concrete house and stuff like that. But anyways, please feel free. I will be posting a about me section on my website, and the about me section will be basically me talking and answering questions that people, you know, that people have written in. And with that being said, I want you to write in some questions that you have for me, that if you've been watching me for a while, or if you just started watching my videos, write me some questions. I'll be happy to answer them. And leave the questions, put them in the comment section of this page. I would appreciate it if it was written as a comment on this page, and I will answer them in a video response that'll be posted on my website, not on YouTube, and you guys will know when to check that out. But there will be a very entertaining video to launch my website, and I wasn't gonna do this, but in light of the fact that Jamaica is getting hit with a hurricane, and I know chances are you're gonna be out without power for a while, let me give you a little teaser of what this music video is, because it's a project that I've been working on for a couple of days and stuff. Actually, more than like a week. The concept has been brewing in my head for about a week, and let me give you a little hint to what the video is gonna be.
Them all these beautiful dudes. You think we would get a job, but we're too fucking idle. We're too fucking idle. Figure do our homework. Yes, I'm one beautiful dude.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough teaser for you. That's enough teaser. But look, stay tuned. And Jamaica, I know you're going to be out with power for a while, so I'll kind of watch the news and wait till you kind of log on with power, then hit you off with some of that stuff. But anyways, good luck, God bless, and keep me up to date with what's going on. Irie, one love. Zagazao. No, that's Beanie Man.